Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting your composition to the final delivery resolution so the watermark scales correctly. This prevents pixelation. Once the canvas is ready, import a transparent PNG or create text that reads "Copyright your name" and position it where it won't obstruct key content. You want an edit-friendly layer above your footage so you can animate and adjust opacity without affecting the video. This first step locks in scale, placement, and file format for consistent output. You now style the watermark so it's visible but not distracting. Use a text layer or imported logo, then set blend mode to overlay or multiply to integrate with color. This explains why viewers see it but not too starkly. Once done, keyframe opacity or position for a gentle fade or slide. Subtle motion deters theft and looks professional. Make small tweaks like 0.520 blur and scale adjustments to maintain legibility across devices. You finish by exporting with high quality and the correct codec. If you use transparency for overlays, export with an alpha channel or bake the watermark into the video. Once exported, review on phone, tablet, and desktop to confirm size and opacity work across screens. This step explains why cross-checking prevents surprises. If the watermark vanishes or looks wrong, make sure the layer stays above video, blend mode isn't set to an incompatible option, and re-export after fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.